I think people will be most surprised to hear is that we are completely self-funded, and Julie and I are super hands-on with every aspect of the business. Whether that's attending yacht shows in person, building client and supplier relationships, to doing laps of Portugal, trying to source our next fabric supplier and manufacturing partner.
Yeah, and I think another thing people would be surprised to hear is that we worked an entire year full-time on Oceanform before we even launched.